Oh no.
Today I recruited Jeremy. You guys remember him from like a few years ago helping me with the Z?
Nobody remembers me, dude.
Dude, we did your 240 a few years ago.
That was a couple years ago.
Check out the 240 video at the RB25. So I have it all torn apart. Here's the dual caliper bracket. This is where one bracket will go. This is where the stock one goes. Pulled the axle. There it is. I gotta get this axle spacer in there. This is the old Brembo brake calipers that are massive, and this is the little stock ones I'm switching over to. And then I also put extended studs here. So we just gotta get this hub back in. We gotta run to Lowe's real quick to get some washers.
What do we gotta do before we head to Lowe's?
Well, I was thinking, since I just put the wheels on the other day, that we could mob the RX-7 and get some shots. Just gotta grab. Keep that on there.
Yeah.
A few months ago. Yep. And like had like hell of people just like waving across the street
really?
to this car and stuff. That's crazy. It was crazy.
Even with my Z being stock, I was getting a lot of like thumbs up and stuff. Yeah, dude. Because you just don't really see them that much. Oh my god.
Yeah, I want to track this thing though.
Oh yeah.
If you're off on weekends, you can come come along. Oh yeah, I can't turn it off.
That's right.
Oh, that's true.
We've had some battery issues.
Some issues. That's like quiet.
It's really quiet.
Can't turn it off because it'll keep dying, so I gotta keep it running. Yeah, probably need to like just pull this fender a little bit. Oh, it's just catching this little bit. Okay. Yeah, not too bad.
Oh no. Yo.
That's what happens when you don't drive stick for like ever. Oh shoot. I gotta keep it running.
Yeah, we're good, we're good. In case we stall again.
Damn, you caught, what is it? Caught you in 4K?
Yeah. Caught in 4K, man.
That's hella funny. Hey, we ain't rubbing. Damn, when are you gonna LS swap your Z?
Yeah. Once my stock portfolio actually makes some money.
There you go.
Once we get 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, let's get it. Getting close. Just hit 700 today.
Yeah.
So thank you guys.
That's what y'all wanted, right?
Tacos. Crunchy tacos.
Oh yeah, get that close up. Ooh. Not sure what's in there, but it's pretty good.
I've never had the burrito from there, so hopefully it won't let me down. Let's see. Damn.
What's the verdict?
It's pretty good.
So now you gotta get a hydro brake then, huh?
I have one.
Oh.
Off my 240.
Oh.
I'm gonna use it. So this is all back together. How far we got today. Put the hubs in with the extended studs. Look how long these are. Put one set of calipers. I'm waiting for my other set of calipers to come in. This is the side that the hydro e-brake will be on. And then this is the stock side, mounting to this. And got the axle spacer in. Thanks to this guy.
You know.
Doing all the work. While I'm just like preparing and shooting video.
Oh, it's rubber on my face.
Oh yeah, funny thing. Check this out. Look at all this tire dust.
Most of that was in my mouth.
Every time we like hit something with our arm, some of this tire dust would fall off and go in our mouths and in our eyes. So that's just drift car problems. Okay, so that's about it for today. Later, thanks Jeremy.
Oh, got you.
And gonna order some more parts and hopefully we can get this thing running soon.
Stay tuned.